This video is going to show you how to connect the uHIT virtual game remote and software, the easiest way to immerse yourself in working zone recognition. Once you have your uHIT virtual box, open it up and you'll find the game remote and USB pen with software. Instructions will be inside at the bottom of the box. You can also find the instructions in PDF on the uHIT USB pen that came in your box. The first page of instructions helps installing the uHIT virtual game remote. We start at the top by installing the AAA batteries and holding down the indicated power button. Next, we go to step 3, where we make sure the remote is switched to key mode as shown. Now at the bottom of the page, we'll do steps 4 to 6 on the computer. This is how we'll connect the game remote to your computer. On our PC, we want to go to the Bluetooth settings. These are the steps to do so on most computers. First, we go to the Settings menu off the Start menu in the lower left corner. We then click on Devices in the window that opens, then click on the options to add a Bluetooth or other device. You select that it's a Bluetooth device, and then your computer will scan for the game remote. Make sure it's on so your computer can find it. There it is. Fortune Tech Wireless is the name of the game remote, so select that. Your computer will try to connect, and when it does, it will tell you. We're ready to go. Now flip over the first page of instructions, if you're using the paper instructions from the box, or go to the next page of game remote instructions on the PDF from the uHIT USB pen. At the top of the page, there are instructions to click the indicated button once your game remote is paired. Lastly, we're going to make sure the game remote works, so follow step 8's suggestions for moving the mouse around the screen and for clicking it. This should confirm for you that your game remote is working and you're ready to start uHIT.